Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to my QuickBooks tutorials. My name is Zach Pasquarello. I'm a professional bookkeeper. I'm a certified QuickBooks Online Pro Advisor, and I own my own business, Harrisburg Bookkeeping. If you got some QuickBooks questions, you've come to the right place. Hopefully I can provide some good advice, good recommendations, good tips, because QuickBooks can be intimidating and confusing at first, but just like any software, just like any application, you just got to mess around with it a little bit, try some new things, experiment, do some research on YouTube like you're doing right now, and it gets to be pretty easy after a little bit of time. A little bit of effort, a little bit of time, and you can figure it out. So if you're a small business owner, you've come to the right place. Congratulations on tracking your income and expenses. Super, super important. I know you all probably just got done filing your taxes, probably all stressed out, and there's absolutely no reason to be stressed out. So now is the time to start planning for 2021. Start tracking your expenses immediately with QuickBooks. So you can report your job expenses, your job supplies, your cost of goods sold. You can track your inventory. You can track your 1099 contractors. You can even run payroll with QuickBooks. And today I'm going to talk about creating invoices. So when I first started using QuickBooks, I was creating my invoices and they were pretty boring, and then I was emailing them straight from QuickBooks. And what I found was that my customers and clients were getting my invoices and their invoices, and they were just like an HTML format. It was just a bunch of text, and it just looked really bad. It did not look professional. It almost looked like some type of scam or something. So I stopped sending my invoices straight from QuickBooks, and now I download all of them. I keep them organized in a folder. So we're almost done with April. I have all of my invoices from the month of April in a special folder with the client's name and a brief description. That way, if I ever have any questions with an invoice, I can go back and look at that folder on my computer. Highly recommend saving all of your invoices to your computer or the cloud or the external drive, your floppy disk, however you're saving your files. Highly recommend create your invoices and save them. So you're in your QuickBooks. This is my dummy subscription, my dummy account. I signed up for a 30 days free trial. So you can do that to start, or you can get 50% off for the first 3 months, or you can get 50% off the lifetime of your subscription if you get QuickBooks through a certified QuickBooks Pro Advisor like myself. So if you're looking to get QuickBooks, highly recommend reach out to a bookkeeper or an accountant, and we will hook you up. Try to shop local. I serve clients all across the country, but if you're in a different state other than Pennsylvania, I recommend find a local bookkeeper, find a local accountant, and work with him or her. I think it's always good to support local small businesses, so that's what I would recommend. But if you want to hire me, that's cool too. I'll work with you guys. Okay, so new, top left hand corner here, this is probably your favorite button to press. The new button, customers, vendors, and then other transactions over here. We're going to focus on customers, and the very first thing is invoice. So congratulations, your customers are paying you, and you need to create an invoice. So as soon as you get off the phone with one of your customers, as soon as you get off the phone with one of your clients, open up your QuickBooks and create an invoice. So you just agreed to provide services to your customer, and they're going to pay you. So they need to know when to pay you and how much to pay you. And for their records, they need an invoice so that they can add it to their files so they can create bills. And I just made a video recently about how to create bills. So it comes full circle. You've got bills, you've got invoices, they've got bills, they've got invoices. It's just how the world of business works. So you can create a customer. If you're gonna be doing repeat business with that customer, go ahead and add a new customer, whatever their name may be. So we will say Harrisburg Bookkeeping is your customer. And I feel like I talk about this in every single video, but you can add all of these fancy details. I'm not going to go over it again because I always go over it, but add as many details as you'd like. Whoops. If you don't want to add any details, you can just add new, save. You can always go back and add details later. Email, whatever you want if they're, like I said, I don't email directly from QuickBooks, so I'm not going to put, you can, whatever. You can put their email in there. You can send to more than one address by separating emails with a comma. You can send later from the sales menu option. You can also set up QuickBooks payments. So QuickBooks also has a payment processor. I have no experience with their payment processor. I thought about it. I kind of wish I would have done the QuickBooks payment processor. I use Stripe. I know people use Square, PayPal. The options are almost endless. They all charge between 2 and 3%, I'm pretty sure, which is wild. Good for them. They're making money on us making money. Okay. Terms, I talked about that in the previous video. So we're here just to talk about the customization. So invoice, really standard. I'll just throw in here. Product or service. I'm a bookkeeper, so typically I'll just say sales. No, it doesn't matter. It's not important. We're here to talk about the customization. So down here in the bottom middle here, you're sending an invoice to someone and you want to customize it. So customize new style, or you can edit your current. Right now it's just the standard. I'll show you what it looks like. It's really boring. There's no fanciness to it. It's going to make us do something. Sales, $100. Printer preview. Oh my goodness. Look how boring that is. That's not good. We want our customers to know that we are legitimate. And, also a little free branding. They open up your invoice and bam, they see your logo. That's what it's all about. Brand awareness. So probably the most important thing that I would recommend you can do with your customization is you can add your logo. I'm going to throw my logo in here. Harrisburg Bookkeeping. Boom. Logo in the top right hand corner. I think that's awesome. You send this out. It looks official, looks legitimate. Your customers are going to be like, wow, that's a pretty cool invoice customization. These people are on top of it. You can do center. You can do left. You can do right. Small, medium, large. And then you can change up the colors. You can see right here, that color is going to change. A whole bunch of different options. I would probably have the colors somewhat match whatever your logo is. You can get choosy with the font. 4 options. 3 options on the size. Probably bigger. Probably 12 is better. What else can you do? You can find a template. So there's different templates. If you just want to go with one of these. Friendly, bold, fresh, modern, classic, new. It's always nice to be friendly. But bold is kind of cool. I like that. We'll do friendly. It's nice to be friendly. Content. So you can really get specific with it. You can come in here. You can change your business name. You can add your phone number, email address, add your website in there. From. Who's it from? Instead of saying invoice, you can change that. You can really, pretty much anything that you don't like about it, you can change in here. So I'm not going to go through every single detail, but like, you can really get specific with it if you want to change it. And then you can change the way it looks when you send the email. So you can do full details. You can do a summary. You can have the PDF attached. You can change your greeting. Dear John Smith, here's your invoice. We appreciate your prompt payment. Have a great day. Harrisburg Bookkeeping, LLC. And then the email will come straight from QuickBooks. But like I said, I don't really like to do that. And then you can have a reminder set. Reminder, your payment to Harrisburg Bookkeeping, LLC is due. So that's if you want to email it straight from QuickBooks. But I don't like doing that. I like using my business email. All right. Yeah, I'm not sure what happened to it there. Okay, so let's take a look and see what it looks like now. So a couple minutes ago I showed you the plain, boring invoice. No logo, no color, boring. So you keep in mind though, you might have to come in here and change it. So click customize and it's still set to standard. So change it to my invoice template. And then printer preview. And that just looks more professional, more customized. The font kind of looks bad up here, but I was just doing it for example. So you can throw your logo in there. You can customize it however you want. Throw in a thank you. Throw in some extra words. If you got a slogan, maybe throw your slogan in on your invoice. And then just download it. And then it'll save as a PDF. And then like I said before, keep all your invoices. Label them. Save them to your files, your cloud, your floppy disk, wherever you're saving your invoices and your business documents. Stay organized. That's the #1 piece of advice I could probably give any new business owner is just stay organized, because when you first start, you might only have one invoice and it's like, oh wow, I don't need to save this. I know what's going on. But pretty soon you're going to have 5, 10, 20, 50 invoices every month, every week, every day if you're lucky, and you're going to want to save them. You're going to want to keep track of them. You're probably going to hire someone to make these for you. But when you're first starting out, you're going to make them yourself. You're going to save a lot of money, and you're going to stay organized, and you're going to make your invoices look pretty by customizing them. So I hope that was helpful. Hope you guys are leveraging QuickBooks to its full potential, and hopefully you guys are enjoying these videos. If you guys have any specific issues or problems that you want me to make videos about, let me know. I'd be more than happy to help. More than happy to talk with you, chat with you, email, phone call, text message, Facebook message. Check out my website, www.harrisburgbookkeeping.com. Check out my Facebook page, Harrisburg Bookkeeping. We're in Pennsylvania, South Central Pennsylvania. Shop local. Be a friend, tell a friend. That's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll make some more videos. Keep teaching you guys QuickBooks.